FIFA Futsal World Cup 2024 result in group standing is of 15 September. Group C, Afghanistan beat Angola 6-4. Argentina beat Ukraine 7-1. Group D, Libya beat New Zealand 3-1. Spain draw 1-1 with Kazakhstan. Group C standing. Argentina top the table, following Afghanistan, Angola, and Ukraine. Group D standing. Libya top the table, following Spain, Kazakhstan, and New Zealand.